Good afternoon, traders, or should I say good evening, traders. This is Matthew GS. We are 12th of April 2025. It's currently 6 p.m. in the UK. Welcome along to episode 34 of the 51362 EMA Strategy. And it's been a while since I've posted a stream, only because I've moved into a brand new house and we never had Wi-Fi for around a week and a half. And also the study room is currently still being painted. There's a lot of work to do. So I am still on the dining room table. So I'm going to keep this video, or try and keep this video nice and short and sweet, just because I'm not in my proper setup at the moment. Don't have my monitors and all that good stuff. So I just go through a few trades and yeah, just see how this stream goes. So before I dive into this, we do have a free Telegram channel, which is Trademasters. Link in the description to join that. The broker is always FP Markets. We get to use any lot size in any market. I am affiliated with TradingView. If you want the free alerts with the 23 alerts with the basic package, there is an affiliate link in my description. And at the end of the video, we will be looking at the news for the coming week. Okay, welcome along to the stream. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe, and it does help the channel to grow. So it's been a few weeks since I've last posted a stream, so just going to go over a few of the trades that I caught. So on the 12th of March, being very patient, waiting for those killer entries, those killer setups. It's always about quality rather than quantity, especially with this strategy on the 4-hour time frame. But gold actually went off on the Wednesday, the 12th of March. The 62 EMA alert went off. So as you can see, this was absolutely beautiful. Can you see that? Was absolutely beautiful. So what happened was the 62 EMA alert went off. I've looked at my chart and I've noticed that instead of us going bearish, we've decided to come back above the 62 EMA. So we've broken the 62 EMA. We've had a retest of the 62 EMA here, and then that's when my alert's gone off. And then I started to see the candle rejected. Okay. So we can set a buy stop on, let's take this off here. So we can set a buy stop on here like this, and then the stop loss is just below this wick like this, and then the target, I would say, is this high here, for nearly a 1 to 4 trade. Now I've seen, no one knows what's going to happen with the markets, right? I'll show you in Bitcoin actually as an example. Gold could have taken this high out and then completely reversed, right? Or gold can just carry on going higher. No one knows. So we do have to set targets and then observe the market really when it reaches our targets to see, right, okay, am I taking profit here? Am I automatically taking profit here? Or am I going to take some lots out and stay in the trade? In this instance, I think I got completely taken out of the trade, which was a bit gutted because I should have kept some lots in, but because I was on my phone and I wasn't really on the laptop because of the Wi-Fi and having no Wi-Fi, I just got out on nearly a 1 to 4 trade. However, this absolutely took off like a rocket, and if you held until it started reversing, that was nearly a 1 to 13 trade, which is absolutely insane, right? And this is what we should be doing, is capturing this entire move. And the way to catch this entire move is you only get out if price actually hits the 13 EMA. So let's say that the price did touch the 13 EMA and we got out the trade there. That would have been nearly a 1 to 11 trade. So gold was an absolute beauty of a trade. I did catch that one, and it's all about waiting for the next setup. Was there other opportunities for gold this week or the last few weeks? Well, we did have a 62 EMA touch here, right? And then it has reversed, but then price actually did come up to here, and then it's completely reversed from here. And I think I tried to catch this trade and I just about missed it, which was a shame because could have caught this move down. But anyways, we have had the 5 and the 13 EMA crossover here. Unfortunately, we did not get what I was anticipating. We did not get a pullback to this institutional candle down here to get an entry to carry on going higher. But, you know, I haven't been on the laptop, so it's been a little bit tricky for me on the phone, but we could have set some buy stops and caught this move going higher here, but that's all good. Now, just going to cover Bitcoin now. As I mentioned, I want this stream to be nice, quick and easy this week just because I'm not on my proper setup, but there has been some great opportunities for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has had a few opportunities, and the great opportunity was on the Friday, the 4th of April. And although I don't really look to trade on the Friday, just because it's going over to the weekend, we did have the break of the 62 EMA, and then we've come back up. We've hit the 62 EMA. So we can set a sell stop on the open of this candle here. Stop loss just above these wicks here. And then the target was taking out this low here. So it's taken out this low here, and then it started to reverse back up. But there was, where was the opportunity where, actually, no, I think that was on gold. I think it was on gold. Let me quickly go to gold because or was it US 30? Yeah, I'm losing track of him if I'm being honest with you, but that's all well and good. So Bitcoin has had a nice short position, but the thing is this was going into the weekend, right? And if the broker, so FP Markets does not have the trading hours open over the weekend. Some other brokers do have the trading hours open. So, for example, this broker here, which is Coinbase, they are open now, and Bitcoin's currently at 84k. You can see how this is flashing. So that means the price is moving. All the other ones have stopped. So if we was to take this short position on the Friday and we left it over the weekend, we can't see the printing of the candles. It's not until the Monday that the market opens again, and then we get to see the printing of the candles that happened over the weekend. And the swap fees are taken into account. They are charged to the account. So you have to take note of those. And then wherever the market resumes on the Monday, that is where you enter, or that's where the price resumes, should I say. And that's how you get price gaps. So this would have been a great trade to hold over the weekend because it turned out to be a great winner. But if you haven't taken the profits, then look what's happened. The market has literally come all the way back up. And if you didn't take profit down here or any profits down here, you would be at break even or you would be in negative drawdown at the moment because price is currently, well, actually, that would have hit your stop loss. You can see how where price is now. So this is why it's important to take profits and set take profits, because the market just can completely reverse at any time and you just don't know when. So it's always good to do that. It's always good to trail your trades as well if you can. You can use trailing stop losses, which are manual ones or automated ones. And a manual one is, for example, this is just one that I created. So 40%, 40% stop out. So as the market moves down, you move down with this. So the market would move up to here. You'd get taken out here. So instead of you getting break even and then going into negative, your trailing stop loss is there. So that's a manual one. And then you've obviously got the automated one, which most brokers do. I know CTrader does the automated trailing stop loss, which is great. And US 30 has absolutely been tanking for a while now. It's all to do with Donald Trump's tariffs. It's been absolutely just free falling. There was a really good opportunity on the 62 in May to short there, and that was the 3rd of March. So that would have been beautiful to catch this move all the way down here. And obviously, multiple opportunities to short on the 13 EMA as well, moving down. And then we did actually have a 62 EMA alert that went off here, but then actually that just carried on going higher. So gonna call it a day for now. Just wanna get into the proper studio setup that is nearly done. Most rooms have to be painted, so we're just waiting for that, and then it's going to be straight in there with the proper setup. And yeah, looking to do these streams moving forward and get into a proper rhythm again. Appreciate everyone jumping on. Before I do jump off though, I did say I was going to have a quick look at what's going on the market for next week. Economic calendar. So Monday we've got no red folder news, so don't worry about that. Tuesday there is GBP news, red folder at 7 a.m. Germany, there's red folder news. US dollar, there is red folder news at 1:30 UK time. Wednesday, GBP red folder news. There's quite a few red folder news here on that day. And then Thursday, there's Euro red folder news. And then we do have quite a lot of red folder news on the Thursday to end the day. And then finally on the Friday, it's actually Easter Friday, Good Friday. So probably not a good day to place any trades on Good Friday or Easter Monday, I would say, because it's just going to be very, very quiet. Not much volatility at all. So it's probably not worth it. Just have the time off. Appreciate everyone jumping on, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.